Good day to all. Welcome to another episode of SG Dr. Wellness. Coach Alvin here. Are you looking to get the most out of your workouts? Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, it's important to fuel your body with the right foods to perform at your best. In this episode, we'll explore the best pre-workout foods to help you power through your exercise sessions and recover properly. Before we proceed, give our channel a pre-episode nutrition boost by smashing the subscribe and notification button now. So why is pre-workout nutrition so important? Well, eating the right foods before a workout is important as it ensures the body has enough energy to perform the exercises and recover properly afterwards. If you don't fuel your body properly before a workout, you may feel sluggish and fatigued during the exercise session, which can lead to poor performance and potential injury. On the other hand, eating too much or consuming the wrong foods before a workout can lead to digestive discomfort or even make you feel bloated or uncomfortable. Now begs the question, what should you eat before a workout? The key to pre-workout nutrition is to eat something light, 1 to 2 hours before exercising. Avoid consuming heavy, oily, processed, or spicy foods before an exercise session, as this can be difficult to digest and can cause discomfort. It's important to consume foods that are high in carbohydrates, which are essential in consistently fueling the body with energy. However, try to avoid too much sugary foods, as it might put you in a high calorie surplus, of which the workout session might not be even adequate enough to burn off those calories consumed. The recommended choice of carbohydrate intake will be complex carbohydrates. High protein foods are also crucial as they help to build lean muscles and aid muscle recovery post-session. Additionally, keeping hydrated with plain water before and during the session is key, as perspiration might cause dehydration and prevent circulation of essential nutrients to the muscles. Here are some great pre-workout snacks and foods to recommend. If you're not sure what to eat before a workout, you can actually consider these pre-workout snacks and foods to fuel your body. Number 1 will be wholemeal bread with peanut butter. This is an easy to prepare snack that is packed with complex carbohydrates and protein to fuel your body through an exercise session. A protein shake and mixed fruits are also a pretty good choice. Choose high quality protein powder that not only helps the muscles to grow and recover, it is also free from additives and chemicals which can harm the body in the long run. You can blend the mixed fruits into the protein powder to form a smoothie that can provide the necessary vitamins, nutrients, and simple sugars to fuel the exercise session. Next will be nut mix. Nuts are actually a great source of healthy fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, and they are easy and convenient to carry around. But of course, avoid the seasoned and salted ones, and I would recommend you to go for the baked versions. Yogurt with oats is another great choice. This is a great blend of grains and protein that can keep you full and energized for your workouts. Avoid the flavored yogurts and go for the plain Greek yogurt instead. Hard-boiled eggs with veggies are also a great option to consider. Eggs are high in protein and good fats and are packed with nutrients and vitamins to supplement the necessary needs for a good workout. Adding a serving of veggies can provide the additional fiber to keep you feeling fuller longer. If you are to consume something closer to the workout session, you can actually consider consuming bananas. Go for 1 or 2 ripened bananas for the extra boost of energy. from the fast digesting carbohydrates that it contains. Well, in conclusion, different food spreads fit the needs and preferences of different individuals. Find the diet that best suits you before a workout and stick to it. Always remember to avoid heavy meals before exercising and keep yourself hydrated throughout the exercise session. By eating the right foods before your workout, you can ensure that the body has enough energy to perform at its best and also to recover properly afterwards. Alright, we have come to the end of the episode and thank you for staying till the end. Stay safe and stay healthy.